a lot of researches and looking into video channels and experiments, I have decided to make my first ever batch of lavender essential oil soap. I'd like to call it Sparkish Lavender Essential Oil Soap because I believe that everything has to start with a spark. Without further ado, let's make some cold process soap. It is important to wear face shield and goggles for protection. Without this, no soap making. Since I'm only 12 years old, I asked my mom to prepare the lye solution to avoid any accident that might happen during the process. She also helps me with the measurements of these oils. I'm using 4 types of oils for this batch. It is olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and palm oil. I am using this stick blender from Ilo of Shopee. I love that song. And I'll just need to pour this lye solution into the mixing bowl. The next thing is to blend this mixture to undergo the purification process until there will be light traces on the surface. I can see the light traces, so it's time to pour the indigo and the lavender powder from Cedar Alley Enterprise. A little bit of titanium dioxide, a good natural substance for sunscreen. And some kaolin clay from Gold Park. Of course, some lavender essential oil from Perfume Aromatic and Young Living. Incorporate it all together to emulsify. So I think it's the perfect time to pour it in our molder. The next thing is to top it to make sure that there is no air bubble inside. And then my favorite portion is to make some texture on top. Sprinkle a little bit of gold mica to create a little bit spark. And a little bit of lavender buds. Is to spread the 99% rubbing alcohol to avoid formation of soda ash. And here is our creation for today. It is Sparkish Lavender Essential Oil Soap. For now, let us cover it with a piece of cardboard. See you guys tomorrow after 24 hours waiting. Bye bye! I'm back and I am so excited to see the result of what we did yesterday. Wow! And smells so good this time. So now we are going to unmold it and cut it into soap bars. There you go guys, it's so wonderful and I love it and I am so proud of myself for this achievement. My first ever handmade natural soap. I'd like to call it Sparkish Lavender Essential Oil Soap. But we have to wait for 4 to 6 weeks of curing before we can apply it in our face, hand, and body. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please comment down below and I will comment back to you. And don't forget to click the like button, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell so that you will be notified on my next video. Let me share to you guys a scripture of encouragement from the book of James chapter 1 verse 2 to 3. It says, "Count it all joy, my brothers, when you meet trials of various kind, for you know that the testing of your faith produces steadfastness." Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, have a good day, and God bless. Bye-bye!